If you've ever wondered how to make money on Steam, this video is going to show you a simple beginner-friendly method step by step. Now, to be clear, this is not instant cash in your bank account. What you're really doing is earning tradable items through certain games, then selling those items on the Steam community market so the money goes into your Steam wallet. That wallet balance can then be used for other games, items, and content on Steam. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first step is to open the Steam store and install games that actually give tradable item drops. Some of the most popular examples are Counter-Strike 2, Dota 2, and Team Fortress 2. These games are commonly used because they can reward items that may later be sold or traded. Once you've installed the game, the next step is to play it regularly and earn item drops. Not every item will be valuable and not every drop will sell for much, so the key is to collect items over time and then check which ones have market value. After you've collected some items, open Steam Community in your browser or through Steam. From there, click your username in the top right corner and choose Inventory. This is where all of your items will appear. If your inventory is empty, that usually means you haven't earned any drops yet, or your items are not eligible for market listing. So the main goal here is to build up tradable items first, then move to the selling part. Once you're inside your inventory, click on an item you want to sell. At this point, you'll see the item details, and on the right side, you should find the green Sell button. This is the option that lets you list the item on the Steam community market. When you click Sell, Steam will ask you to enter a price. Take a moment here and check the current market prices before you choose your listing amount. If you price it too high, it may sit there unsold. If you price it too low, you may lose some of your possible earnings. After entering your price, confirm the listing. Steam will then place the item on the market, and once another user buys it, the funds will be added to your Steam wallet. That wallet balance is the payout system Steam uses, so again, this is not direct bank cash, but it is a real way to convert in-game drops into usable Steam credit. Now, if you want to increase your chances of making more money, focus on items that are actually in demand. Some games and cosmetic items sell much faster than others. It also helps to check the market before listing so you understand what buyers are paying. And if you're doing this often, keep track of the fees and the final amount you'll receive after Steam's cut, because that affects your real profit. One more important tip: be patient and stay safe. Only use official Steam pages and never trust random third-party sites promising guaranteed profits. Steam's own marketplace is the safest place to sell your items. If you follow the steps carefully, you can start turning item drops into Steam wallet balance without making things complicated. So that's the basic process for how to make money on Steam. Install a game with tradable item drops, earn items, open your inventory, list the item for sale, and collect the Steam wallet funds after it sells. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.